Experiencing issues with your Xfinity voice remote? The most common fix is to repair the remote to your Xfinity box. This reestablishes the Bluetooth connection, resolving many glitches. Here's how. First, power off your Xfinity cable box. Then, locate the Setup button on your remote. Press and hold it until the LED light at the top of the remote begins to blink. Next, enter the 3-digit code specific to your TV brand. You can usually find this code in your remote's manual or on the Xfinity support website. Once entered, the LED should blink again, confirming the pairing. Try a voice command like Watch ESPN to test. If it works, great. If not, proceed to the next section on checking your network connection. Remember, successful repairing often indicates a simple software glitch, but persistent issues point to other potential problems. If repairing didn't solve the problem, a weak or unstable internet connection is likely the culprit. Xfinity voice commands rely on a stable network to process your requests in the cloud. Start by testing your internet speed using the Xfinity app. A speed test feature is built in. Make sure you have at least 25 Mbps for optimal performance. Also, ensure your modem and router are within 30 feet of your Xfinity box. Check for any Wi-Fi interference from other devices like microwaves or cordless phones, as voice remotes typically operate on the 2.4 GHz band. High latency exceeding 100 milliseconds can also degrade voice recognition. If your speeds are low, try restarting your modem and router. For persistent problems, consider upgrading your internet plan or using a Wi-Fi extender to boost the signal strength to your Xfinity box. A stable network is crucial for reliable voice command functionality.